All right, folks, my name is Nestor, and I'm excited today to show you how to assemble a steel skeleton crossback bar stool. Shipping it in this box is a whole lot more affordable than shipping a huge, big bar stool. You have your bar stool back. It's all one piece, fully assembled, ready to go. You got your seat, bar stool cover included, front legs, 2 arched spindles, 2 straight spindles. These are with steel inserts, bolts, screws, Allen wrench, and a little screwdriver, a couple of screw caps. We're gonna grab our 2 steel spindles. Both the spindles are identical, so there's not a difference on these steel spindles between right and left. You'll notice that one side has a little notch, and the other side is flat, no notches. So what we're gonna do is that flat side without notches will go into the seat back. We'll put that in here. We'll get the side with no notches and put that into the seat back. So these seat pads are designed to protect the seat itself. So as you stack these chairs, these seat pads provide an incredible amount of protection. Here's a notch right there, and here's a notch right here. Okay, so now when I place this in, you can see this is perfectly aligned. These are hex bolts. On one side, you see there's a portion here non-threaded, and this is what's going to go and attach the spindle to the legs. Don't be alarmed if you see yourself, oh, did I forget to put a bolt or screw somewhere. We do ship these with extra hardware. Grab the seat here. Okay, pop that in place. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places to secure the seat to the frame. You can use a drill to make this a little bit faster, but it's not necessary. Again, you include all the tools needed, and we're doing this with all the tools that ship out to you. Now our seat's in place. We're gonna put our arch spindles. On one side, you're gonna see an L. The other side won't have anything. And the other one will say R, a little indentation to it. So that portion goes to the rear. The portion that says L, the lettering goes pointing inside the chair. And the reason, obviously, so when your chair is displayed, no one sees any lettering. So it points to the inside of the chair. There's a little notch here to help you align it before you put the bolts in place so it doesn't move. On the front side, there's also a little notch. So we'll put the notch in the back and then pop that there. Self sits there perfectly. I'm gonna put the other side too. I don't wanna tighten everything yet. This area here with the notch goes towards the rear. So we'll place this here. We'll pop the notches in place. Perfect. We'll get our screwdriver. I'm just screwing it a little bit so for right now. I'm going to use the spindle bolts. So they're bolts with a Phillips screw head. They're going to be 2 towards the rear, as you see here. So our little trusty screwdriver will solve this. Tighten this all the way. All right, we'll tighten the front. And we're going to hand tighten this in. We need to attach the crossback to the seat back. So we're going to line the holes there. Hand tighten that. The bar stool is secure. Everything's screwed. Everything's bolted in place. We've got a beautiful bar stool, but we've got these little gaps here. So we've got 4 screw cap covers. There's a little notch. In this case, here's on the top, and here's on the top. Perfect. Ah, look at that. Beautiful. And we'll do the same thing here. Perfect. All right, folks, at that point, we're complete. Enjoy your new Chivari steel skeleton bar stool, in this case, crossback bar stool, at chivari.com.